Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get my notifications. Start with green color yarn. Make a magic circle. And chain 2. This won't be counted as a stitch. Now with the magic circle, make 12 double crochets. Once you're done, pull up this loop and close the gap. Stitch on top of this first double crochet. That's your first double crochet. Next round, start with chain 2, 1 double crochet in the same stitch, and 1 front post double crochet in the same stitch. Now repeat this all around. The next stitch you'll make 1 double crochet, front post double crochet in the same stitch. At the end of this round you should have 24 stitches. Once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. Next round, start with chain 2 and 2 double crochets in the same stitch. And then next stitch, that is your front post double crochet. You will make 1 front post double crochet, chain 2 and 1 front post double crochet in the same stitch. Next stitch, 2 double crochets, and 1 front post double crochet, chain 2 and 1 front post double crochet in the same stitch. Now repeat this all around. 2 double crochets, 1 front post double crochet, chain 2 and 1 front post double crochet in the same stitch. And once you reach over here, slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. Next round, chain 2 and double crochet in the same stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and now while pulling up the last loop, chain to the red color yarn. Now here in this chain 2 space, we'll make 1 popcorn stitch. To make a popcorn stitch, take this yarn along with this working yarn, double crochet 5 times, and 5. Now pull up this loop and take out the hook and insert it on the first double crochet and pull this loop through here. Now chain 1, and while making the chain 1, use this green color yarn. This way the color transition, it would be neater to look at. Now the next stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and while pulling up the last loop, change to red color yarn. And the next chain space you'll make one popcorn stitch. This is how the back will look. Now repeat this all around, and once you reach over here, slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. At the end of this round you should have 36 stitches. That's 1, 2, and the popcorn stitch, that will be counted as 1 stitch. And these flowers, you should have 12 flowers. Next round, continue with this green color yarn. Chain 2. Again this won't be counted as a stitch. Now 1 double crochet in the same stitch, and 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and on this popcorn stitch you will make 2 double crochets. Now repeat this all around. Next stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and on the popcorn you will make 2 double crochets. And once you reach over here, slip stitch on top of this first double crochet, and at the end of this round you should have 48 stitches. Next round, start with chain 2. Now 1 double crochet in the same stitch, and 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, and 1 increase. That's 2 double crochets over here. Repeat this all around. 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches, and 1 increase. And once you reach over here, slip stitch on top of this first double crochet, and at the end of this round you should have 60 stitches. Next round, start with chain 2, 1 double crochet in the same stitch, and 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches, that's 1, 2, 3 and 4, and now 1 increase. Repeat this all around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 double crochet in the stitches, and 1 increase. At the end of this round you should have 72 stitches, and once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. At the end, while making the slip stitch, change back to red color yarn. Next round, start with chain 3, skip 1 stitch and 1 single crochet in the next stitch, chain 3, skip 1 and 1 single crochet. Now repeat this all around and weave off your yarn. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.